Okay, good day everyone. So this video is about surface tension. So here are the contents. First we have surface tension, then cohesion force, then adhesion force, and contact angle, and then wetting. So how can we explain phenomenons like this? Floating of some objects on the surface of water, like this leaf and this fruit in this picture, or the ability of some insects like the water strider to run on the surface of water. And um, how can we explain the shape of dewdrops, raindrops, and some bubbles? Okay, so this phenomenon or kani siya nga mga stuff can actually be explained by surface tension. It's actually just surface tension. So what is surface tension? So surface tension is the attractive force exerted upon the surface of molecules of a liquid by the molecules beneath that tends to draw the surface molecules into the bulk of the liquid and makes the liquid assume the shape having the least surface area. So it is also the property of a surface of a liquid that allows it to resist an external force due to the cohesive nature of its molecules. So um, as you can see here in the diagram, this is actually how water molecules react with each other. So at the very surface, like molecules at the surface form stronger bonds, while kaning diri sa middle and sa bottom, they form weaker bond. So kanang stronger bond nga na form, those are that is actually your surface tension. Okay, so that's actually your surface tension kana siya. That is those surface tension can explain those phenomenon. So it can also explain kanang when you say tawag ana kanang when you dive, maligo mo pool and then mo dive mo. So kailangan nga dili mo mahayang, 'di ba? Dapat paana inyuhang pag-dive like. Okay, so that is actually um to break your fall, kay para ma-break pa nimo ang surface tension ay ha ka maabot sa tubig. So if you've tried nga kanang ni dive, then like na likod mo or nahapa, so sakit gid na siya. So that is because of surface tension. Now there is another phenomenon that needs like ngano makapangutana-tana. So how can we explain this? So, if we put some water in one tube and some mercury in another one, so the water surface takes a convex shape and the mercury surface takes a concave shape. So, ano man ang ing-ana man na siya nga, ang water murag mo ana, tas ang mercury kay ana siya. So, that can be explained by those are actually the effects of cohesive and adhesive forces. So, when we say cohesion force, okay, so cohesion force is the property of like molecules of the same substance to stick to each other due to substance mutual attraction. So here in the diagram, this is your cohesion. So cohesion happens sa kanang same lang jud siya nga substance. Okay, basta same og substance ang nahitaboan na sila ha is cohesion or cohesive force. So adhesive force on the other hand, or adhesion, is the property of different molecules or surfaces to cling to each other. So here in our diagram, kani siya ang gashow og adhesion. So the walls of your container or sa tube og kanang sa imuhang water og mercury molecules. So kanang dira dapit sa walls, that is your adhesive force. So now we can understand why water behaves that way and why mercury behaves that way. So when the cohesive force of the liquid is stronger than the adhesive force of the liquid to the wall, kaning diri sa kuan wall sa tube, then the liquid concaves down in order to reduce contact with the surface of the wall, since dili man siya ganahan anang kuan lain nga substance. So kuan siya, mo concave siya in order nga lesser ang surface nga iyang i-cover. Huy! Sorry. The fuck? Yeah. Mo na siya. Mo ni siya sa laana, guys. Tabukan tayo. Okay. Let's go back a few notch. Like that eh. Okay. So, naman ta to? The fuck? Okay, so dara ang adhesion. So, mananataan na. Again, these are the forces acting on koan. The surface of acting on the water, the mercury, and the tubes nga nag-enclose sa ilaha. So, um, okay. Next, when the adhesive force of the liquid to the wall is stronger than the cohesive force of the liquid, so the liquid is more attracted to the wall than its neighbors, causing the upward concavity. So in the case ni sa water, mas kusog ang cohesive force niya compared sa adhesive force nga naa sa tubig og sa wall. So mas kusog ang iyahang cohesive force sa each other. So, mo na siya nga mo concave siya. Mercury, on the other hand, mas kusog ang adhesive force between the mercury and the walls of the tube compared sa mercury, sa mercury, like sa each other, sa each other sa mercury. So, that's why nga, mas attracted man siya sa wall. So, that's why nga, mo concave siya upwards. Okay, so next, we have the contact angle. So what is the contact angle? So the contact angle is the angle conventionally measured through the liquid where a liquid vapor interface meets a solid surface. So this would actually determine whether your fluid would spread or delay. Okay, so wetting. So wetting is the ability of a liquid to maintain contact with a solid surface. So this um, resulting from intermolecular interactions when the two are brought together. So the degree of wetting or the wettability is determined by a force balance between adhesive and cohesive forces. So if the angle of contact angle is low contact angle, it means that there is high surface energy. So, meaning mas mo flow siya. If the contact angle is high, then the surface energy would be low, meaning mas mo, dili kay siya mo flow bitaw, mas mo, kung ano siya, mas mo stick together on its own. Like, if you, sa may example, let's say kanang sa water. So, mas gamay ang low ang contact angle sa water, so mas dali siya mo spread. Whereas kanang actually, I'm just gonna give that to you as the next assignment because I haven't really researched that. So, yeah. So that's it for wetting and for surface tension. Very easy. So, thank you for listening and have a good day. Bye.